have MrBeast Lab Swarms. This is the newest Atomic series. Thank you so much, Moose Toys, for sending this to us. I didn't know it was this big. Look how big it is. You see the box that it came in. So this is the newest series, and we're just gonna open it up for you guys, see what's inside, because I'm excited. Man, are you excited?
Yeah.
So let's open it. This box is huge. I'm gonna pull you guys a little bit closer. Okay, so MrBeast Lab Swarms. There's different.
Whoa.
Ooh, that's huge. Look at the back. MrBeast. Alright, so when we open it, this is huge, guys. We have
instructions. Read this.
So MrBeast Lab Swarm Atomic Series, you get a 2-pack for $4.99, a 5-pack for $9.99, or a 12-pack for $19.99. The craziest collectible experiment has gotten even more epic with the Atomic series. Over 85 new characters to collect, including the limited edition mystery case. These new characters are the perfect addition for all Swarm fans' collection. So this is the Swarms. And then we have a MrBeast Lab Creation Station. Introducing the all-new MrBeast Lab Creation Station, the very first MrBeast Lab toy to feature Jimmy himself. Now is your chance to create your own MrBeast stretchy figure. Complete the experiment with the special ingredients that represent two things that are synonymous with the world of MrBeast: Feastable bars and stacks of cash. They're available at Walmart, Target, and Amazon. Alright guys, so we are going to be creating our own lab swarms. We're going to do this one first, and then we'll go do the other one.
This one and this one.
So this one includes 12 MrBeasts, and then we have 2 test tubes to fill with water. And Maddie's gonna open it.
These are the characters.
Hard to come out.
Yeah.
Oh, this is like a little warthog. Like Timon and Pumbaa. Look, that has like purplish hair. This one is
What was
cute.
that? Let's see, what was that?
Ooh, I hear Pumbaa up here. So we put the these papers down because I don't want any water to spill on it.
We also have this one.
Oh, that one's cute. And we have this one. Oh, we have a gold one. This one.
This one.
Yeah, to back it up. Yeah. Those are cute. Okay.
We have another gold one.
So now me and Maddie have another one.
It's like, I don't know what that is.
Those are cute.
And this one.
So now we have our own test tube. We're going to, I opened one of these and I believe you fill it with water. Let me rip this stuff. So yeah, you fill it with water and shake it. Oh my gosh, look how many there are.
Wow.
This list is very long. So in total, there is, I think I said 85 plus to collect.
Okay,
That's a lot. Oh wait, we got a special edition.
let me see.
Jackpot button.
What is this one?
Yeah. We got a special edition. And that's part of the MrBeast squad. And then this one, it's gonna take me a while to find these, but yeah, that one on here. Okay. We got our tubes, our atomic
Open them.
tubes. We have to open this part. So we open it this way. I always drop that. Peel this off.
Peel it off. Put
And
water
then we
in it.
fill it with water.
15 seconds. 30 seconds. Shake it. Pour it out. Then you get something.
Okay, ready? Okay. Pour.
Auntie! Mine is easy to put water in.
Okay, and then we close it. Last time I did this, it
Hey.
overflowed. Okay.
Shake it for
Yeah,
30
see it?
seconds. Shake it for 30 seconds. Ah.
Shake, 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 shake. Ooh, I already see something. You guys, this is how they look. You can already kind of see the big. Ooh! You hear that? Okay, yeah. Okay.
This one's mine.
Okay, now we're going to
This
pour
one, mine is making that noise. Okay.
in there.
Whoa, wait, that's like slime.
That is so cool.
Why does that feel like that? But which one is Zeus? This one's yours, this one's mine.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, so you do yours first.
Oh, it's so cold.
We'll do yours first because our water is cold.
Oh, it looks like I have like a phone guy.
Yeah, yours is a phone.
Phone with a face.
That one.
And then this one,
What in the world? Is those glasses?
it looks like glasses.
Okay, mine. I have a trash can.
With orange red eyes, with red eyes.
And I have a glitter one.
Is that an alligator?
I don't know.
Oh, that one's cute.
But
Oh,
it's
it is
glitter.
glitter. Oh, you have a toxic trooper. That's called a subsinker. And
Which
it's
one is
it? One of Mr.
You have one
Beast's.
too. That one's
Oh
yours.
yeah, I have that one. Which is the red one? A red one? Oh, that's a common. So you can get common, rare, ultra rare, Beast Iconics. Beast Icons, limited edition, MrBeast Squad. Translucent, glow in the dark, metallic, speckled. Alright guys, we're going to go on to the next. We have so many! Look at them! Look guys, we have so many.
Alright, we're gonna move this off to the side.
We might need this again for that one.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're opening
This one.
the next one.
Okay, let's open it. There's only one. So let's see the ones that we break.
So that one comes with 3
Yeah.
plus. So
So
the first one. This is like an egg throwing up.
Yeah. Look at his back.
Oh no. Creepy!
Okay. And then. Oh,
That one is bad experience.
Wait, this one's a little squishy.
That's a common.
This one's a little squishy.
Ooh, that one looks nice.
It's just kind of like, it's kind of like this one.
That one is Spectic Shark.
Look, we have the MrBeast logo, but it's like, that's him. The logo, this one. You know the logo of his YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
That's him.
Just put it down. Remember, you just took it off like that.
Oh. Open it again. Same thing. Okay, now peel this off.
Fill it with water. And he's using her Gatorade bottle.
Oh, look, it's fizzing up.
It's fizzing.
I close it tight.
And shake for 30 seconds.
That stuff out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
30. Alright, which ones we got?
What is this one?
Oh, that's a cool one. It has wings.
Yeah. These are like, yeah.
Ooh. That one is Hasbat. And he is a common.
That's what he looks like. Okay. Next one is gold.
It's gold?
It's another MrBeast label.
Oh, it has like arms, like.
It's the same dude. It's a logo of him.
That one is Tentacle Panther.
That's my
Alright, guys, so we're about to make our own MrBeast. Alright.
Okay.
This, you guys, can make your own MrBeast. I'm super excited.
It's a freaking.
Well, it's kind of in the back, but. Beast! He's squishy now.
Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys.
His head.
Sorry,
So
guys.
back it up a little.
I did not mean to
Guys.
hit you guys.
We're going to make our own MrBeast.
Whoa, look at these.
Okay. So let's read the instructions.
I think this is what you put in. This is some liquid that you put in the thing.
So first instruction.
Look how cool this is. What? Look. That is so cool. Okay.
So
How do
we're
you
going
do
to
that?
screw his head off.
How do you do that?
Oh, you gotta pull it off. Like, pull it.
Oh.
Okay. And then screw the cap off. And then screw that off. You have
Sorry.
to put the
This?
body right there.
Oh, wow. Wait, do I put it like this?
Facing sideways. And then you gotta put the
Like
the
this.
money in.
Oh.
Put the money.
Yeah, this is the money.
And that's the chocolate bars.
Yeah, this is the money. This is chocolate bar.
Okay.
Put the
Money
chocolate,
in.
the money in first.
Yeah.
Alright. See how the money looks. Ooh, it actually looks really cool. Oh, let's see if I can get it out. Ooh, they're squishy. Yeah, they're coming.
You're squishy.
Yeah. Like they're little, they're not hard. They're. Oh, I almost left one.
Oh.
Look.
Little MrBeast monies. Okay, we're gonna put that.
They're not hard, they're actually like squishy.
Okay, we're gonna put that in the body.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put all of them in. Can they see?
Mhm.
I'm gonna put it up close so they can see. Okay, I'll go.
Okay, and then you're gonna put the MrBeast chocolates in there.
These are the chocolates. Oops. No one's chocolates. Look how cool those are. Look.
MrBeast!
That is actually so cool. Alright, let's put them in.
You're losing chocolates.
Where is it? Where? Put them in. One more. Okay, everything is in.
Okay, now you put the cap back on.
Okay,
The blue cap.
this goes back on. Okay. Then don't you put this in here and then the water?
And then you have to squish that for 3 seconds, 5 seconds,
2,
or shake it
3.
on camera.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Then we have to take this off. I was about to say, where is that piece?
That is so
Then we
cool.
put that in there.
Okay. Let's hope I don't spill this.
Very clear instructions, you guys.
Let's hope I don't spill.
Your whole orange in the way.
Can I see now?
Mhm.
Alright, let's
So
pour it.
pouring that in there.
Whoa. Look.
It's in the tubey thingy.
Look, it's in the tube. Put it back.
Okay, and
Can I
then
put water in there?
we put in water till up to here, like up to there.
Up to this? Up to
Wait.
this?
This is, it's showing this way. Maybe it's on this side.
Oh, yeah.
Up to that
to that.
line. There. Here. Ooh, that looks
Well, it's a little
cool.
over the arm. It's fine.
Okay. And then,
Look, it's like right there. Okay, I'm gonna turn around.
wait, no, leave it there. Okay, good for each other.
Then I know what to do next.
That in there.
Yeah, and then you push this down.
Oh my goodness, guys! Look, we're about to make our own squishy.
Alright, so this goes in here.
You twist it in there.
Yeah, I guess so. And then you push this down. Okay, ready, guys?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
It's filling up. That is so cool.
Whoa!
And then you put the cap on, and we have a squishy. And then you put the head back on.
Yeah. Take this off. This, can I see?
So cool.
Put this back. Okay, now put this back on. And then take this off. Make sure it's on there tight.
Yeah.
Really tight.
And then we put MrBeast's head back on. Is it on?
Yep.
We made our own squishy. That is so cool. Make him do a little dance. That is so cool, you guys. So make sure you check out MrBeast Atomic Series. with his feet.
Look at the money. Let's see if I can find the MrBeast bar. The MrBeast bar is
This
all the way in
was
his
super
foot.
fun.
All the MrBeast bars are in his foot.
I wonder if you could do it over and over again. Well, maybe not if you don't have that stuff. Alright, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you again, Moose Toys. See you. Bye guys.